What was that thing? It just falling on. I just don't know what it was. It was just chasing me and I was just scared and I tripped. We need to get out of here. We need to solve this. Let's get out of here. We just have to walk. Make sure no one even tries to help us. People, I've been hearing weird ghost sounds. Do you guys know anything about it?
No.
Well, they were no help. We're gonna have to find somebody else that knows how to do this. We need to go find someone that's into these ghost things. Well, I don't know who else to find. There's like nobody. They all are just gonna think I'm crazy. What am I supposed to do? Someone, tell me. Help me. Here's where I was running. Just don't know what to do. I ran. Like over there. Just remember it was just last night or this morning. I don't know what. I'm just too scared. I need to call the police. But if I do, then they're just gonna say I'm crazy and need to whatever that thing's called. We should just solve this all by ourselves. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Let's go solve this ourselves. Let's go find them. We need to find out where these weird sounds are coming from. Let's suit up. Maybe up here will do the job. Let's go find our suits. All these little cool little. I think I found mine. Let's suit up. Oh, I guess we should find. Oh, here it is. Yes. Right there. It is. We have to go find whatever made that noise. Now. So, here it is. Oh, that suits. And just an ordinary person, yeah. That's will work.